here's a Windows tip for those of you that are using Windows 8 or Windows RT on a laptop, for example, and you're having some difficulty getting used to the interface, the start screen, or accessing things. You want to get to things quickly. Well, if you're using Windows 8 and RT, here are some key combinations that will allow you to get to things fast. When I'm referring to the Windows logo key, it'll be that key on the bottom of your keyboard, by the way. So to search quickly on your PC, you hit the Windows key and you start typing. And as soon as you start typing, it brings up the search there at the top. Okay, so that's a quick, easy way of invoking that. Now, the control and the plus or minus key allow you to zoom in and out depending on where you are. Of course, if I have an image that I'm drawing and I wanted to zoom in and zoom out, I can actually use that in a picture viewer, for example. Also, the control key and the scroll wheel on your mouse will allow you to zoom in and zoom out on this image that I have, which is basically a screen capture of my desktop. Now, another example, Windows logo key plus C will basically slide in and out the charms bar. So on the right hand side, you've got that bar that appears, the charms bar, that is invoked using the Windows logo key and C. Now here are a bunch of other ones. F, Q, and W with the Windows logo key will allow you to invoke the search feature. So Windows logo F brings up the file search, then you've got the Q, which brings up the app search, and the Windows logo key W brings up the settings search. Okay. Now here's another thing. To access the charm bar options, you've got H, I, and K. So Windows logo key and H brings up the share. The I brings up the settings. Okay. And the Windows logo key and the K bring up the devices. If you have any listed, it will show you them there. The Windows logo key plus the P, you know, many of you are used to Control P to print. Well, Windows logo key to P actually brings up the second screen option. So if you have another monitor plugged into your laptop and you want to quickly access the projector type of or extend your monitor, that's nice. Windows logo with Z or Z will bring up on the Windows app that you're running the different options on the bottom. Okay, so if you're running a Windows app such as the maps or the picture library here, you'll be able to press the Windows key Z or Z and bring that up. If you have multiple languages on your keyboard, if you press the Windows logo key and the space bar, you can toggle between those languages. That's very handy as well. Now, changing between different screens, the Windows key and the tab brings up on the left-hand side all the different task screens that you have, and you can toggle through them. If you hold down the Windows key with Shift tab, it actually brings it up from the top. If you hold down or the Control tab, I should say, it brings it up from a different angle. So you can actually scroll from the bottom or scroll from the top depending on which combination with the tab key you use. And also, if you press the Windows logo key plus the Shift period, you can actually snap one of your apps to the left or you can snap it to the right. Okay, you can toggle between that very easily by using the Windows logo key and the period. So there you have it, some neat Windows shortcuts for Windows 8 and Windows RT. Comment below if you're already using these, which ones are your favorites. And again, if you have any new ones, let me know, comment them, and let everybody else share on that. Thanks for watching.